gorgeous windy road as you approach Arthurspassvillage. These are beech tree forests mainly. The beech trees have the black trunks. Sometimes we have problems with wasps who like to hang out on the black trunks because they have a sort of sticky substance on them, which the wasps love. But I see they have got some bait out to get the wasps. They hang it in the trees. But it's nasty if you're sitting down having a picnic and a whole lot of wasps come along. I don't believe that they are native to New Zealand. So yeah, little beech tree forests as we come into Arthurspassvillage. In winter this is completely covered in snow. Well, a lot of the time anyway. Sometimes you can't get through this road. If there's huge snowfalls, they close Arthurspass and you just have to wait till it gets cleared. So we're very high in the alpine region. Absolutely stunning. Imagine when these are all covered in snow. It's so pretty. We've reached Arthurspass. It looks like there's a queue. Got some roadworks here for Arthurspass. These alpine roads do get a hard time. They're constantly having to be upgraded. Oh, better stop here for the orange light. Right, here we have Arthurspassvillage. A lot of people would stop here, get something to eat, and ice cream or coffee, and you get lots of keas, naughty keas, which are a New Zealand bird which like to try and steal your food. If you want to see a kia, Arthurspass Cafe is a place to come and have a look. Protected animals. We're going up and then we're going down. So that's Aotearoa Gorge, that's where there's a major roadworks. Fantastic bit of construction to allow us to pass over through here because it's fairly formidable land. And with the harsh weather, of course, we constantly get slips and always needing roadworks. Lots of rain, snow.